Hello friends, today I'll tell you very briefly what is the requirement of separation clearance between two traffic ways on an airport. Now these traffic ways can be two taxiways, it can be runway and taxiway, or it can be a taxiway and some obstacle. So whenever there is a movement of the aircraft on parallel taxiways, what should be the minimum clear distance between these taxiways? That depends upon the size of aircraft, wingspan, and what FAA suggests for based on wingspan that taxiway center to center, center line to center line taxiway means center line of two parallel taxiways. This distance is 1.25 W plus 2.1 meter. And the distance between the center line of taxiway center line to any obstacle. This is 0.75 W plus 2.1. Now W here is the wingspan of aircraft. And if there is a mixed type of aircraft operating at runway, we should take the longest or the widest wingspan. Maximum wingspan of the aircraft expected to serve the runway. And this 2.1 is called the safety margin. That is to consider the variability between the particles when they move on the taxiway. Now this is the equation given by FAA. ICAO says that this distance between two parallel taxiways should be minimum W plus 2 times U plus C. That is the minimum distance between two parallel taxiways. W again, wingspan in meter. U is called the safety margin, taxiway safety margin. And this U is minimum clearance between the edge of the taxiway and the outer main gear wheels. This is taxiway safety margin. And this U is taken as 1.5 meter for A and B type of airport, 2 meter for C, and 2.5 meter for D and E. Now see here is the minimum clearance between tips of the wings of aircraft which are moving parallel. So what should be the minimum distance between tips of the aircraft wings? And this is again a kind of safety margin. What it says that C should be 4.5 meter for aerodrome type A, 5.25 meter for B, 7.5 meter for C, and 12 meter for D and E. So depending upon the class of aircraft using the airport, we can determine what should be the minimum clearance distance or minimum clearance between two parallel traffic ways. These are as per FAA and ICAO. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can write.